and welcome to a presentation about a typical American food, apple pie. My name is Mrs. Van Seth. The ingredients you will need for apple pie fall into two categories. For the crust, you need flour, sugar, salt, butter, and an egg. And for the filling, you need lemon, apples, sugar, and spices. Step 1. You start with the crust. You mix the flour, sugar, salt, and butter. Step 2. You mix the egg with the flour batter. Next, you cover and refrigerate the crust dough. Step 4. You make the filling. You chop the apples. I like to use green apples for apple pie. Step 5. You put the apples in a bowl and mix it with the lemon juice, sugar, and spices. I like cinnamon and nutmeg. Step 6. You roll the dough and place the ingredients in a pie plate. Step 7. You bake it in the oven. You let it cool and you eat it up. Some people like ice cream with apple pie. Thank you for listening to my presentation about a typical American food, apple pie. Enjoy.